How you doing, guys? Right, I've got a bit of time, so I thought I'd create a little video, a value video. And what I want to talk about is like the power of accountability and the power of having an authority person above you when you're trying to achieve anything. So obviously I'm in the health industry, in the weight loss industry, and I help people get healthier, I help people get fitter, stronger, you know, so they can be happier, healthier, more confident and fitter within life. So when people are trying to lose weight, most people have the idea, the basic knowledge of what they need to do. For example, exercising, eating good nutrition. They've got an idea what good nutrition is. They've got the idea what bad nutrition is. Understanding people don't have the knowledge of how to put the combinations together and how much you can eat and how little you can eat, and putting the combinations of the exercising together, what's going to make your cardio levels go up, what's going to make your strength go up, which is understandable. But the majority of people know what they need to do within regards what exercise is, i.e. walking or running, or what good nutrition is. However, a lot of people find it very hard to be able to even do those things. And when you're trying to do it by yourself, all you have accountability to is yourself. So there's no one, the only person that you are technically letting down is you. Now, when you put someone in front of you or someone in place to hold you accountable, it creates a third sort of party. So let's say the objective is someone to lose 4 stone. So the first person in the party is yourself. The second person in the party is the thing in the party is the activities, which is exercise, nutrition, challenges, planning and preparation, whatever that means. Okay? But then when you put a third person in place, you're creating like a kind of a triangle. The third person is the authority figure. And psychologically, by having this authority person there, it just triggers something into your mind and allows you to do the things that you're meant to do because you feel obliged to subconsciously in the back of your mind, even though that you know what you need to do. And that's why people get such good results when they pay for something. And I'm not trying to get you to sign up to my course or anything, but when you exchange with this authority figure, someone that you look up to, some sort of currency in some sort of way. So the currency could be money, the currency could be I'll do this for you. They might have some skills that they can do something for you in return. You have a binding contract, and if you create a contract psychologically within your head, even without writing it down, to the point where it triggers something and it makes you stay on track far more greater than if you used to do it yourself. So by having that person saying you need to run Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you feel obliged to do it and you end up doing it. And if this person says, you know, you've got to eat this nutrition plan, you've got to eat this, this and this, or you've got to work out this nutrition plan and figure out what you've got to eat by Sunday, it psychologically triggers something in your mind to making you do something. And that's why some of the most successful people in the world have mentors and they have coaches, because it gives them that authority figure and a psychologically thing, even that they know what to do. So like, for example, a professional boxer, a world-class boxer who is a world-class boxer, has a pretty good understanding of how to box, yet they still have coaches and they still have people to keep them accountable. For example, you know, Mike Tyson, he had a coach. The coach wouldn't go out running for him, but the coach would tell him to go out running, say at 5 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning, whatever he used to do. So by having that coach there, it allowed him to do the things that he was meant to do, but what the coach got him, kind of made him do. So hopefully you understand that by having the power of accountability and having someone in front of you is going to help you do the things that you already know that you need to do, and it triggers something psychologically to create that binding kind of contract, unwritten contract, to help you achieve your results. So the power of accountability. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you did. Leave a comment wherever I post this, share it, like it, and I'll thank you forever. Have a wonderful day.